If this doesn't get you excited, you must be dead. Eating normal hot dogs after watching this? Now that should be illegal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some boss dogs. So just sit right back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. And don't forget, subscribe and hit that bell notification button. That way you'll be notified every time we drink more beer. What is a boss dog? It's a hot dog that's been raised up a few levels. I went and saw Mick, the master butcher, down at Gippsland Premium Meats, and I grabbed some of his brisket and Guinness sausages for this cook. And the only prep needed is to make a slice down one side of each sausage. If your butcher doesn't have brisket and Guinness sausages, it's time to change butchers. Now grab some cheese sticks and shove one in each sausage and then close it up. Then grab a piece of bacon, streaky bacon works best, and wrap it around the sausage and cheese torpedo. And depending on the size of your sausages, you may need 2 pieces of bacon. Now not only will this add some great flavour and texture, but as the fat from the bacon renders out, it will help keep the sausage moist. Bacon smart. Now that's something I can get behind. Place these on a wire tray, keeping the split to the top. And once all prepped, just sprinkle over your favourite barbecue rub. And I'm using 4 Monkeys beef. And these can now go in the fridge until we're ready to smoke them. If you can't find cheese sticks, just cut large lengths of cheese from a cheddar block. Today I'm using a 57cm Weber kettle, and I'm pairing it up with one charcoal basket because I want to be smoking at temps of 135 degrees Celsius today. And how I'll do that is by 3/4 filling the charcoal basket with briquettes so I know exactly how much fuel I need, and dumping that into the chimney starter and lighting it up. And once they're fully alight, I'll grab the charcoal basket, I'll place it to one side of the charcoal rack, and I'll dump the lit fuel into it. I'll carefully put the grill back in. I'll pop the lid on, making sure all the vents are wide open, and I'll give that 10 minutes to warm up. Now you can use an ambient temp probe to track your barbecue's temp. If you don't trust me, I won't judge you much. The Weber is warmed up so we can get these boss dogs of creativity on the grill. Placing the tray of snags on the opposite side to the lit fuel, adding a chunk of smoking wood directly on the charcoal briquettes. I'm using grey box today, but any smoking wood that you like to use will do. Put the lid back on, making sure that lid vent is directly over our sausages. By placing the lid vent over your food, you're going to ensure that you're going to draw the smoke and the heat over it. Today I'm using an indirect heat of 135 degrees Celsius to cook with. And all up, these boss dogs will take 45 minutes to be fully cooked. Or for those of you using my beer timer, you're looking at a 2-beer cook. Cheers!
That's not enough.
That's not enough.
That's not enough.
It's not enough.
Look, just drink a dozen beers and we'll call it even, okay? We need some onions for these boss dogs, so slice up some onions. How you do that is up to you. I prefer to use a knife. To a pan over a medium to high heat, add some oil, and then to that add your sliced onion. And we're going to fry these off for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they soften and become translucent. And then once they're fully cooked, take them off the heat and just place them into a bowl. You could also fry up some capsicum if you'd like to ruin my recipe. The boss dogs are done. How do I know? Because I've checked the internal temp with an instant read thermometer, and they're now reading 74 degrees Celsius. So we can just get them out of the barbecue and just grab a soft buttered roll and add some of those onions, and then just slide in one of our boss dogs. Add some mustard and some ketchup and shove that in your face hole and wait for your taste buds to explode. Boss dogs should be in your barbecue or smoker this weekend.